Hi, this is B from Sorcery Soap, and I got a surprise this week. This week apparently is full of surprises because some of my friends know that I could use a little surprises, I guess, or a little cheering up. So before I explore this, I've peeked in it, but before I explore this, I wanted to give a little caveat that this is from my friend from WillowBella Soaps, and we've been friends a long time, and she's really helped me on my journey, and she's been steady and supportive and encouraging and just like every wonderful adjective you could use. And anyway, she sent it to me. The reason I'm hesitant is because she sent me this gift, and she was very, very clear that she wasn't doing it to try and get me to do a video or an unboxing or anything like that. And I knew that. And still, it's just that it's so exciting that I want to share it, and that she's cultivated her sense of the world through, and her magic, her soap magic, in a way that is really grown, and I just, it's the best I can do to support her when I have physical evidence of what she's doing. So anyway, I hope that, anyway, you guys are really cool about the other couple unboxing things and the things that I showed you, and you seem to truly enjoy that, and I love sharing that kind of energy, especially when I don't have to do anything for it. Like, I don't have to make the tutorial or do anything. I just get this wonderful gift, and why wouldn't I want to share it? So this is what it looks like. The box, can you believe it? Look how wonderful this box is. It's a keepsake. I will definitely keep it forever. So there's that, right? And okay, so let's see how to do this. So I opened it as far as this goes, and there's this wonderful card with this amazing story on the back. It says, "Welcome to Ravenclaw and your limited edition Harry Potter inspired bath box." I won't read this to you because it's just a really lovely gift, and the story is Enchanted. And then there's a business card, and this obviously I ripped. So Jeff asked me last night if I wanted to have scissors to cut this, and I preferred, I made a choice, like an executive decision. I'm like, I think the paper should be ripped versus the sticker, but that's how precious all this is. So then, can you see that? So these are all bath bombs and truffles. So this says Enchanted Bath Bomb, and then there's a hat on the back. Look at that face. Oh, yum. And the whole box smells so lovely. So here we go. Here's another one. This is a bubbling biscuit. And it says 9 3/4. Oh, that's yum. That smells, oh gosh, and you know, that's like my favorite thing. My favorite ridiculous thing is just to say yum. So anyway. Okay, so, and then look at this amazing thing. I can't even. Let me get my actual glasses. My actual glasses. It says Enchanted Butterbeer, a bath treat. That is so marvelous. Okay, so it's a little cup, and there's two parts to it. And look at the top. It's got drizzle on it. So Okay, well, I'll get through this first and show you. Color infused bath bomb. Witches and wizards, it says around the side. Like this. Look at this. There's a lightning bolt on there. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Do you know I've been making soap for years and years, and I've never had, I don't think, no, little samples. Never had anything like this before. This is called the Enchanted Chocolate Frog. Isn't it nice when you find somebody who has a similar nose as you do? Oh, Enchanted Bath Truffle. So Sharon's been wanting to send me some of these for years, and I keep telling her, like, we lived in another place, and I was like, yeah, I don't really have a tub, and it's not gonna, whatever. I said, but I'm gonna move to a house soon, and we're gonna have a tub. I get here, again, no real tub. The tub is so small. I'm not a very big person to sit in that tub. It is like sitting in a shoebox. I can't even believe it used to be the master bathroom. Well, whatever. Next house will have a proper tub. So this one is Enchanted Cauldron Bath Bomb. Look at that. It's in a little cauldron. She knows how, okay, and so, oh gosh, this is also lovely. I'm gonna put this back because I wanna keep it. So, and then there's this document. I haven't even read it yet. I mean, it's really, really well thought out. And there's so much padding in here, there's no way any of this could break. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna read a little bit of this. Maybe not, maybe I'll read a bit more because it's pretty cool. Okay, here we go. Harry Potter inspired bath box. We have compiled some useful notes that were made along our journey to create something magical, just for you, as well as some useful hints, tricks, and cautions. I love that. After all, most stories have some type of caution. It may be a requirement for a good story or journey, whichever applies to you. And thank you so much for purchasing from us. You can locate us on, okay, and then that goes on to the other details. Okay. Oh, and the paper feels nice too. And then it gives instructions. It tells, so there's these little stories in here. Okay, so it says here, I've transformed some chocolate frogs into soap. I can be such a clever witch, and they smell just like chocolate. These are awesome. It says day 87. We now have a couple of free house elves helping in our bubble bath and potion shop, as well as a few sweet witches. The word is getting out. I've not seen this much excitement about a new shop since the twins opened the joke shop down the street. I think I'll go pick up some biscuits and tea for everyone. Oh my gosh. So, and then it says, okay, so I am House Ravenclaw, an intoxicating blend of woody notes and real sandalwood of oil brightened with notes of lemongrass. Clever Ravensclaws know that studying is required to conjure the perfect blend of fragrance notes to create something unique and a little outspoken. And it has all the houses here. And it tells Enchanted House Bath Bomb with a color reveal. I'm so excited to offer these, and so is everyone else at the shop. Oh, side note, we have found a very charming and handsome wizard to join our team. I love this. This is so awesome. I just want to keep it all. So anyway, so that this doesn't go on super long, I just wanted to say that First of all, I'm really, really honored to call Sharon my friend. And change my glasses so I can see you. To call Sharon my friend. And she's a sensitive being that knew that I needed some cheering. And I don't get down very often. And I think the times we're in right now are unparalleled. And everybody's struggling. And you know, the whole objective about what I do and what I hope to model is that we cause more good than harm in not just our soap making, but in all our endeavors and how we speak to each other. That's why the Sorcery Soap Creations group is so precious to me, and why Sharon and I talk almost daily about it. She's a moderator in there, by the way, which it doesn't take very much moderation, honestly. It's just about just sort of like being a prefect, I think. People don't run in the halls. And, you know, because of the situation that the world is in right now, that it's becoming more and more clear to me that in order to proceed forward, we need to find some really positive ways to manage all of this. And, you know, just like many of you, you know, we've all had some very difficult times in life. And some people say that's because that's the way life is. I don't agree that it has to be that way. And because of the difficult times, you find strength in yourself that you didn't know you had. But I can tell you, I've also found strength in myself in joyous times that I didn't know I had. And I have many examples of that. And so I think that even every situation, every horrible, horrible situation I've been through where I thought, oh, this is it. This is just the end. This isn't, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get through it. And then I did get through it. I learned a lot, but because I chose to learn through it. I chose to see something else than the horrible situation, and that those terms were not okay. And so I think that takes such an effort sometimes, that being able to support each other and inspire each other even to continue on and to be creative with a joyous heart and to find wonder in this world is truly magical right now, particularly right now. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed my unboxing and that you understand. I'm going to take so much time just to read every little detail and absorb it. Do you ever watch like a really good movie and then at the end of the movie all you want to do is find out about the characters of the movie that you were just, the story you were just told, or you want to know more because you're enchanted by the whole thing? That's this box. So I'm going to absorb every single precious little detail of all of this. Anyway, I just wanted you to see what I received, and I'm so grateful, and thank you for watching this channel, and I hope that this unboxing like cheered your day a bit. So, and thanks lately for all the cool comments. It's really encouraging, if nothing else, and just the fact that lovely people could put lovely comments, and then we can continue to, you know, I hope that I'm answering your questions and that you're gaining something from the channel. Oh, doorbell. I gotta go. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.